Sobra talagang lakas ng hangin dito sa cottage. Tingnan nyo. Kung kahapon nag-take ako ng video na sobrang lakas, today is worse. Today is worse. Look at the water. And it's about 7 minutes to 11 o'clock in the morning. Look. Look. We are at the banquet right now, but look at the wind. It's crazy. Look. Look, my tomato. They're almost left from the ground. You can see all those white things is from the waves. It's very bad today. Look. It's terrible wind today. Absolutely crazy. See that? You see that? Absolutely insane. The wind never stopped since yesterday afternoon. What is happening? Oh man. Look at that. It's nice and sunny, but the wind, come on. My tomato. I feel bad for my tomato. And my beans. My tomato. Look. My tomato. Oh man. I feel bad for my plants. It's the worst wind. It's sunny but blue sky and everything, but the wind, oh man, I just wish that this wind will die. It's crazy. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.